Good morning, class. Today we will be taking a spelling pretest. And if you will, turn into your reading notebook or your writing notebook, the one that we had set up. Go to your first available page, and you should have it dated for 9/14/20. Title it Spelling Pretest, Lewis and Clark and Me. And you will number on the, as you can see, you can number 1, 2, 3, all the way down to 25. You will take a pretest for 25 words. This week, the words are with the long A and I. Long A as in rain, and the long I as in light. Okay, so you're actually saying the A and the I in each word. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say each word, read the sentence, and repeat the word. This is not for a grade, but it's to see what you know with these words. Afterwards, when we get together in class, I will show you a PowerPoint that shows the correct spelling of the word as well as what its meaning is and a picture so that you can see and understand what each word means. Okay, so we're going to start with number 1. The word is sigh. People sigh when they are sad. The word is sigh. Number 2, right. Chad got all the answers right. The word is right. Number 3, weigh. The scale shows how much you weigh. The word is weigh. Number 4 is 8. 1 week is less than 8 days. The word is 8. Number 5, detail. Tell every detail of the story. The word is detail. Number 6, height. The wall's height is 5 feet. Height. Number 7, spray. Will you spray some water on the plants? Spray. Number 8, braid. Anne wears her hair in a braid. Number 9, bait. Bring your fishing pole and some bait. Bait. Number 10, grain. The cow ate the grain. Grain. Number 11, slight. There is a slight change of plans. Slight. Number 12, thigh. The thigh is part of the leg. Thigh. Number 13, tight. My shoes are too tight. Number 14, raisin. A dried grape is a raisin. Raisin. Number 15, trait. Kindness is a good trait. Trait. Number 16, highway. Take the highway to the last exit. Highway. 17, frighten. Did the big dog frighten you? Frighten. 18 is dismay. To our dismay, we lost the game. Dismay. Number 19, freight. Trucks carry freight across the country. Freight. Number 20, sleigh. The sleigh moved over the snow. Sleigh. And the next 5 words are challenge words. Number 21 is 18. We went away for 18 days. Number 22, mayonnaise. I do not like mayonnaise, but I do like mustard. The word is mayonnaise. Number 23, campaign. Come join the campaign for a clean city. Campaign. 24, daylight. It is better to travel in daylight than at night. Daylight. Number 25 is twilight. Twilight comes just before the sun sets. Twilight. So when we go in, I want you to circle the words that were misspelled so that you know which ones you really need to study for this week. And I will see you guys shortly.